feel like there's gonna be some pole dancing.
Yeah.
One more. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Cheers.
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 Thanks, bro.
Cheers. You didn't get your drink yet? Did you use the coupon? Coupon is either lemon drop or tequila.
Good one.
Sorry, I didn't mean to make her run.
Hey, come on. We were working like that.
How was the lemon drop? Let's take a little picture of you guys.
Sorry, one more.
One more with the heart. Okay. Thank you.
How maybe.
Seoul Pub Crawl, I need your attention. Please come forward. Come forward.
Oh my God! All right. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. 3. Thank you. All right. It's taking shape. Oh, I was waiting for her. All right, now we're ready to take the group picture. All right, guys, are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Seoul Pub Crawl! Thank you, guys.
Everybody this way.
조금 멀리 돌아왔지만 기다려
Thank you, guys. That's better. You just pay later. So it's time for the third place.
Third place, yes.
Seoul Pub.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
There's gonna be a lot of.
It's one of my favorites.
I feel like there's gonna be some pole dancing.
Yeah. You know it really well. You know me way too well. You've been seeing me the last 6 weeks, so you already know me.
Other step. Faut pas nous casser la gueule. Perfect. fall in the stairs. Perfect. Thank you. Careful. Thank you. Merci. I thought I'm tall, but not.
What's funny, you know, I just went down there and then I got just like, and then it comes and like, I'm like, okay.
That was funny, yeah. Perfect. Blue steel. You know Zoolander?
Spread it across the country. Here we go.